Hello, I'm Hanna from the University of Gdańsk and I'm honored to host this Blue Biotech Project Hackathon. And I'm also excited and looking forward to the outstanding results we're gonna hear tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Bartosz Blum. I'm the owner of the company Aquameric Poland. I'm the mentor at the hackathon, and with the participants we are trying to build the most effective RAS system in the world.
Hello, my name's Freya Robinson and I work as a project manager at Submarina Network. I'm here as one of the coordinators of the Tetris project, and the challenge that we're exploring is how to make recirculating aquaculture systems more sexy in the Baltic Sea region.
Hi, I'm Annette Lottremore. I am representing Business London Falster, and our challenge focus on how we can find a sustainable replacement to mica, which is used in the makeup industry.
Hello, my name is Aleksandra Zgrundo. I'm here as a mentor. I represent my company, Oficina Baltica.
Hello, my name is Erika Zawadzkiene. I represent Klaipėda Science and Technology Park and our project Cool Blue Baltic. I am here as a mentor, as a challenge owner.
Hello, my name is Marcin Juchniewicz. I'm fish operator at trout farm, RAS system, recirculated aquaculture system. I'm here as a mentor for the challenge that is called how to use less treatments in trout farming in the Baltic region.